Now that your book is created, let's make it even better. Bookimagic lets you fully personalize every page. First, go to bookimagic.com. Then, sign into your account. You will be redirected to My Books section. Now select the book you were working on. Thanks to our unique technology, all images are interactive and editable. You also have full control to edit the text page to match your story. You can see the illustration page on the left and the text page on the right. Bookimagic has already added backgrounds and your characters with emotions and actions to each page based on your story. But first, let's explore how to add additional characters, animals, or items to your pages. With the tools on the left side of your screen, you can easily add various elements inside the illustration page and even design your book's cover. You can add characters, add animals, add items, add backgrounds, add your book cover. Click on any character in one of the illustration pages. Look at the bottom of the screen. You'll find options to change their actions, like running or jumping, emotions, happy, sad, excited, and clothing. Now, let's see how to customize animals. Click on any animal you've added. Using the options at the bottom panel, you can change your animal character's actions. Try different combinations to make your illustrations more exciting. Let's play around with item elements. You can easily include fun objects like toys or furniture. Resize and rotate them as you like. Remember, the rotate function is only available for items. You can't rotate characters or animals. When you click on any character, animal, or item, 3 buttons will appear below it. Flip button. This flips the element sideways, making it face the other direction. Bring to front button. This moves the element to the front layer. For example, if you want a character to stand in front of a chair, click this button. If you prefer the character behind the chair, click the chair and use its Bring to Front button. Delete button removes the element from your page. Now it's time to customize the background images of your book illustrations. On the left toolbar, you can select different backgrounds for each page to match your story's setting. Use the flip button at the top of the illustration page to change the background image orientation.